Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for joining Tech with Terrence. So just going to be just a quick video. I just wanted to talk about the CompTia A Plus. I just passed my CompTia A Plus exam, and I just want to talk a little bit about it and just kind of how that process went. But as you know, I attend WGU, and WGU is just an online college, and it's just it allows for people that if you don't want to go to a brick and mortar building, you can always just go and take classes online. But within my degree plan, which is cloud computing, they have different certifications in it, and one of those certifications is the CompTia A Plus. Actually, CompTia A Plus is the first class that I took. It's called IT Foundations, and then the other one is called IT Applications. Once you pass those two classes, then that basically gives you a voucher so you can go take the CompTia A Plus exam. Um, so I attended WGU and I took the two classes. I was able to pass both portions of the A plus exam test, and I just wanted to kind of do a video just to kind of talk about that process. Studying for the exam is not difficult. You do have to put in the time. You do have to put in the effort to pass your exam. Basically, what I did is I just created like flashcards, and I went to Walmart and bought like some of those 99-cent flashcards, and there's like 2 or 500 in the pack, and I basically just wrote down things that I couldn't remember through going through the Cert Master material. I just wrote that information down on the back of the card, and maybe while I'm driving in my car, or if I was at like work or something like that, I would just simply just flip over cards and just study while I'm at work, or just whenever I'm not busy. But just jumping forward, as far as how I studied, like I said, I used note cards, and then I use video material. If you're not a visual learner, then maybe you can read the Cert Master material, and the Cert Master material is basically just like a book that you can read, and you just go through the book, and you have a few questions or a few test assessments that you can answer if you use the CompTia Cert Master. What I did is I used CompTia Cert Master, but I also used other resources, and one of the resources was Andrew Ramadal. He actually produced a video series on CompTia A Plus, and he just goes over all of the information that's in the CompTia A Plus exam. One thing I like about Andrew Ramadal is he basically just made the information really easy to understand and really easy to grasp. And studying that way visually with a video, it helped me a lot because I read the Cert Master material, and at first, it just wasn't sinking in. But as I watched videos, it seemed to kind of sink in a little bit better. But nonetheless, though, I went and took the exam. I passed the exam. I had about like 90 questions on the exam. Some of the questions I didn't know. I did skip the PBQs, and I saved those for last. And I did have some time left over after I took the exam, but it was pretty straightforward. And I just want to let you guys know, as long as you study for the exam, then you shouldn't have any problems with it. Some people who are already in IT, you may be able to just take the knowledge that you have from your job and just go take the exam and pass it that way. But if you don't have any IT experience, definitely probably want to study for it, and you can definitely pass it. So I just want to tell you guys, if I can pass it, you can pass it too. But so that's just kind of my story on the CompTia A Plus exam. And right now I'm studying for Network Plus. I'll probably just do a different video for Network Plus. But I just want to tell you guys good luck. And like I say, I wanted to keep this video nice and short. So see you guys later. Thanks for joining Tech with Terrence.